To perform the work, you will need the following equipment. Move the aggregate unit to a suitable position. If a dovetail cutter is mounted, first remove it as shown in the tutorial, Tool Change, Dovetail Cutter. Loosen the 2 locking screws on the clamping nut. Position the 46 open-end wrench on the flat section of the finger cutter to fix the motor shaft. Open the clamping nut with the clamping nut wrench. Remove the clamping nut and clamping disc. Now remove the milling cutter, taking care not to damage the thread of the clamping nut. Remove the open-end wrench and clean the surface of the roller cutter. Now mount the new milling cutter. Here too, take care not to damage the thread. Screw on the clamping nut and clamping disc and tighten them hand tight. Position the open-end wrench on the opposite side again and tighten the clamping nut with 80 Newton meters. Do not forget to remove the open-end wrench again. Tighten both locking screws with 6 to 8 Newton meters. Check the cutter configuration in the machine data and adjust it if necessary. Attention! Never enter a tool in the machine data that is still mounted on the machine. Extreme danger of crash.